So first step is, right, you can go to indicators, right? I already provided you the access. You can go
And
to indicators.
this no. Okay.
Yeah. Click on the indicators and
So I added um, these two price points with top trading,
okay,
both are there, and then this T5 here. So I added all three.
right.
So these candles, these what do I need to?
You can select candle, normal candles. Just select candles. Either you can select that or you can select Iconish.
When I select candle, it's not displaying anything.
Can you right click on the chart? Settings. Yeah, you have to select that body border. You have to enable those. Right.
For these two things, not weak, only
Wick,
body
Wick,
and
Wick
border.
also. No, Wick also you can. Yeah.
Okay.
So for time being, can you disable price pulse for a minute? So generally in US market, what we do is you we use top trend along with T5, right? That is one combination.
So one more thing, like see this T5 is not showing it read
Mhm.
here. So this is
Sorry.
so T5, right? So how it is showing this top trend here?
Yeah.
By
Now you
first,
can also say T5 here.
oh, okay. Because I just minimized that, so it was not showing.
Right.
But okay,
So generally, whenever this T5 is like an oscillator. So for example, if the T5 is at the top, right? For example, around 11 o'clock on Friday, it was at the top, right? From green, it turned to red. So you can see that how the NQ also went down once it turned to red,
okay.
right? At the same time, right, once the background also turns to red, your T5 turned to red, your background of the chart also turned to red. That means that is the time where you can short it.
So
So
1 hour or like I
generally
selected
we
for
use 5 minutes, 5 minutes for prop firm trading. For personal
okay.
accounts, you can
So
use 15 minutes.
this is 5 minutes. Let me just change the angle. So for minutes, what happened here?
You have to save that as default. Yeah. In the template, you save it as default, so it will get saved. Yeah.
Okay, so this is 5 minutes. NQ 5 minutes, right?
Generally, in the US hours, you use 5 minutes. In non-US hours, you can use 1 minute or 2 minutes.
Okay, 1 minute is okay. And we use this oscillator and top trend, right, for taking the trade.
Right. Yeah. That is one combination. We can use top trend plus T5. That is one combination. Or we can use price pulse plus T5. That is one more combination. Top trend is more UI, more colorful.
Mhm.
It is more for scalping. You can quickly take profits, enter multiple trades. So yeah, first yeah, open. You can disable price pulse for some time. For
Okay,
example, if volume is good, then we can trade during these hours using 1 minute time frame. For example, let us say you got a buy signal or
here now.
right, you got a buy signal. Now the background is also green, but immediately you have a resistance at 2135. For example, if you don't have that resistance, then that is a good buy signal. But because we all
Okay.
immediately have that red rectangle, so it is not a great opportunity. But around 6:10 or yeah, around 6:30, you got a sell signal. Immediately the background turned to red.
Here.
You got it. Yeah. So whenever you have a sell signal, either at the same time we should have a red background or immediately next candle. If it turns to red, that is a good sell opportunity.
Okay. So it was 32, 5,
But yeah,
26. Okay.
when the background is red, if you get a buy signal, you can ignore the buy signal.
Yeah, these kind of things.
Right. Yeah, that is just a pullback, and immediately again it started going down.
So what do you suggest like for NQ, like take profit and stop loss will be like for scalping
Scalping, I suggest $200. Every trade you take $200 profit.
and stop loss also 200?
Right. Yeah. Generally, if T5 line is red and the top trend background is red, then generally you don't go wrong. Right. In the above chart also you have a T5 line.
Right,
Right. Yeah.
okay.
So if that line is red and your top trend background is red, if you take a sell signal, you'll easily make profits. Or if the T5 line is green and your top trend green background is green, that is also easily you will make 200. If you get a buy signal,
Like
when
this.
you get a buy, yeah,
Okay.
you can, yeah, you will easily make minimum it will move or 10 ticks.
Now it's going almost
Yeah.
inside that.
Right. If it breaks the resistance, then it can go all the way to 2140. There we have EMA 200. If it breaks that, then sometime in the midnight, it can go to 2160. Yeah, as of now, it is in a consolidation. So if you see that blue rectangle, as of now, it is in a range. So you see a blue rectangle, right? Shaded blue
So
rectangle.
this one entire thing
Right.
you are saying?
Right. That means it is in a consolidation or it is in a range. If it breaks
Oh,
the consolidation, then it will turn very bullish. If it breaks the range towards the downside, that means it is bearish.
so what is
So
this blue line? Blue line
that
here?
means that is the top of the range. That
Okay.
is like your resistance as of now.
Okay.
So for the rectangle, that is like the top. That means it may go till that and again start dropping. So we have to wait for the price to break that if you want to go long. Otherwise, if it starts dropping, again it can come all the way to the bottom of the rectangle.
And what is this line here? Green.
Yeah, basically, yeah, that was the previous range top. Now the range top, it went down a little bit here.
Hmm. So you said 140, there's a 200 EMA or something. Which one is this? Yellow
That
or
yellow line, yeah.
oh, that is 200 EMA. Okay.
Right.
That's why
So
you
if it
said like it might go still.
right, it might go touch that and then drop. If it breaks that yellow line, then it will go all the way till the 21 160, yeah, till that point. So it is better we wait for it to break the yellow line because you have a bigger range there. As of now, if you take a long, it is risky because one is you have the blue line which will act as rectangle. Again, you have yellow line which will act as rectangle for now.
All these things, is there any document, whatever you told, right? This light
Yeah,
blue rectangle is a range. This is
right.
EMA 200.
There is a PPT and also you will attend live sessions. In two or three live sessions, once you attend, you will understand all this.
Okay. So PPT we have to access.
Yeah, yeah. I'll share the Google Drive link one more time. But yeah, if you in the Telegram channel, if you search for training or something, you can, yeah, find the Google Drive. It has all the trainings, all the documentation, how to use each of the indicators.
Mhm.
Mm.
So same goes to short also
Right. Yeah.
when it is
Yeah, if you have red background, red T5 line, especially if the T5 is at the top at the bottom, and for
yes.
example, now it is going to overbought region. Yeah. So for example, if it turns to red in next 3 4 minutes, then it can start dropping. Maybe next 2 or 3 candles, the line may turn red. Then we can expect the price to drop back to the bottom.
And for now, I don't have to use scanner or anything, right? For futures, that is just for options.
Right. Right. That is mainly for stocks. Yeah.
Yeah, because
Stocks
right
and
now
options.
I'm just concentrating on futures.
Right. Yeah. Because yeah, if you can make futures, you have unlimited potential because yeah, you can use prop firms and you can do with multiple prop firms. You can also trade on your individual accounts.
So it crossed above now here, right?
No, you have to wait for the body to cross. As of now, Vic only, yeah, went above the EMA 200, but yeah, we better wait for it to. You need to see a strong bullish candle above the EMA 200 line. Otherwise, it might be a fake breakout and also drop. So it's better we, yeah, wait for the confirmation, right? Or because you already got a buy around 10 15 yeah, 10 15 minutes back. Now you wait for the sell signal, right? Because we already missed the buy opportunity. So it is better instead of now trying to enter the buy somewhere close to the resistance, you take the whenever, for example, if you touch that red rectangle, or those red dots also can act as resistance. So you better take the sell signal. Whatever sell signal comes next, better to take it. So easily you'll make $200.
Oh, sale signal, but then all background and everything should be red also, right?
Right.
This
Yeah. Whenever,
this
yeah,
should be
whenever,
red.
whenever I get the sell signal, generally, yeah, 90% of the time this will turn to red. T5 also will turn to red. If not, you better wait until they turn to red to take the sell.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
we'll
this
take
is
some
like using
live trades after 8 o'clock. Then you will understand clear.
this is all using top trend and T5, right? Not the price pulse yet.
Right. Yeah. I'll explain how to use the price pulse every day for consistent profits. I'll explain that. I created some slides and so I'll share that information.
Mm.
Yeah.
And then
Let me
how
help.
to add this Tradoweight account here?
Did you trade away it or Tradify? Or yeah, go to trading panel.
Have Apex
Mhm.
Tradoweight.
Yeah. Come down. You have to click on
Yep.
trade away it, and then you have to give whatever credentials. Yeah. Yeah. Now you have your Apex account connected here. So if you take any trades here, they will get copied into your Apex account.
And how to? Okay, so this is just showing account balance, all these things.
Yeah, in the drop
Account.
down, you will have, if you have more accounts, you will see all those accounts in the drop down.
Okay, I have two accounts.
Right. So if you have replicant software, then you make one of those as a leader. Then whatever
Mhm.
trades you take in 24, that will copy into 25.
So how to get that down to place order?
Yeah, can you minimize this? Yeah, click on the trade button. Beside trade await, you have trade.
Okay.
Yeah, you click on this, you will get the. Now maybe next candle we may get a sell signal. You just wait for the sell opportunity.
Then, so here I can set everything, right?
Right.
Stop loss, around
Mhm. Yeah,
take
you can put what is your take profit, stop loss, everything.
right. So when I trade through DOM, this will execute same thing, whatever I mentioned here.
Yeah, if you trade through DOM, you can do quick scalping, clicking. Whereas here you can directly put what is take profit, stop loss before placing the order itself. You can put everything. You can say, okay, if it goes up by 20 ticks, I want to take profit. If it goes down by 10 ticks, I want to take stop loss like that.
No, but then if I put it here and I go to DOM and take a trade, that
Then
will
again, it will close your trade, whatever. For example, if already you placed a trade through order tab, now
no,
you
no,
do
my question
something to. Mhm.
from DOM, can I place take profit and stop loss also
Yeah, you
while
can.
doing?
Yeah, you can place.
So okay, so I same window, right? Here I have to put, but I can.
Yeah, you can also do the take profit and stop loss there. Yeah.
Okay, okay. I think this was a good trade also here, right? Once it crossed EMA,
Right, right. Yeah. But yeah, I think
trade.
now it may drop right around 158 or something. It may start dropping because your T5 also went all the way to the top. So maybe next one or two candles we'll see a sell signal. Then it will come again all the way to that EMA 200 till that yellow line. It will come back and again it will bounce back. So yeah, better you wait for the sell now. Yeah, that was a good opportunity because right everything you got a buy signal. Your T5 line is green at the bottom. Also T5 was green and yeah, it broke the EMA 200. And
Only
once it
thing
touches,
was this bottom was green, but then it went into this war bottom.
yeah, so that's why now it will drop. Right now it went and touches the resistance. Maybe next one candle or two candles, we'll see a sell signal.
Okay.
Yeah, if you see sell and the background turning to red, you can click on the short. Yeah. So we'll take some live trades in some time. So then you'll understand clearly.
Okay. Yeah.
Hi Ramya, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I just installed TradingView. I really don't know where to even start.
Yeah, okay, okay, sure, no problem. So can you share your screen?
Yeah. Okay. I don't know what. Okay, I think I did a overlay of NQ. I was just trying to add NQ for next tab, and I think I did this.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, go to your click on that top left corner on that A. Yeah,
Yes. Sir.
and yeah, and
Okay.
okay, it is ANGA like 30, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me give you access to that user ID. Yeah, now can you log out and log in, please? You can log out of trading view
Hmm.
and you can log back in. So you can see your, yeah, you say grant access.
Well, let me just sign up from here. It all becomes.
Sign in.
So I signed in.
Then go to click on the indicators. No, I think you did not sign in. You have to click on the sign in. Come to the bottom. Yeah,
Yes, sir. You're right.
sign in with browser. Then grant access. Yeah, I think you already did it. Now go to another tab where you already have trading view open.
Okay, hold on. I think I went to a wrong account. I don't know. I set up one account and I'm thinking I'm using the wrong account. Give me just a sec.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Because I didn't use this account. I used a different one. It is finished and
You can use this for the sign up.
yeah, okay. So, but it is not letting me do. Let's see. I'm going to review.
You can give me access and
It's still getting me home. It's not letting me get in.
yeah, you can give me access and
I gave the access.
okay. So first thing is you have to log out from this one.
And it's not letting me log out, right? Should we like clear a cache or something?
Yeah, I can open a new tab.
No, it's carrying it over.
Yeah, you can enter your password here.
Oh my I don't remember.
Okay.
If I remember. Okay.
Once you have that, you have to open the super charts. Right, from the super charts. Right now, I already gave you the access. So you have to go to indicators
Mm.
and go to invite only. In the invite only, you will see all different indicators.
Okay.
If you make them as favorites, you can easily access them. So the the three major ones which we generally use. One is top trend, price pulse, and then this TA2, or it is also called as T5. So I was explaining to Sripati earlier. So generally, we use either top trend plus TA2 or
Mm.
top trend plus price pulse. And this is mainly for swing trading, and this one is mainly for scanning. If you want to scan which stocks are overbought or oversold, this will help you, which I'll explain tomorrow. But yeah, for now, mainly you can select the top trend and this T5. So if this is at the top, that means it will drop. So for example, your ES. Now, so this is like bottom of the channel. This is like top of the channel.
Mm.
So whenever it is at the bottom, if you get a buy signal, generally that is a good opportunity. Or whenever it is at the top,
Yeah.
if you get a sell signal, that will be a good. You will, right? For example, now we got the sell, but we have to wait for candle close. As of now, still it is trying to close.
Mm.
So once your candle closes and you have a sell signal, then minimum you can easily make $150.
Mm. Okay.
So we are
Okay.
waiting for a sell signal because it went all the way from the bottom, came to the bottom, it went to the top. Now
Mm.
again it may come all the way minimum till the midpoint.
Okay.
It come till midpoint and again. So this at the bottom also you can see. If you want, you can keep this at the bottom or you can move this to the top. If you want,
Okay.
you can also just move it to the top. So
Mm.
now you see that it came from the bottom, it came all the way to the top.
Mm.
That means it is overbought. A lot of buyers bought it. So
Okay.
now there should be some retracement or it will drop.
Okay. Okay.
So whenever it is at the top, if you get a sell, that is a very good opportunity.
To
Or
top.
whenever this is at the bottom, you get a buy, that is a good opportunity. Whether you are in 1 minute or 5 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever is the time frame.
Mm.
When this is at the bottom, buy. When this
Mm.
is at the top, sell. In
Okay.
the same way, here also you have a channel here. So this is like the bottom of the channel. This is like the top of the channel. If you see buy signal, this is like a support or a buy zone.
Mm.
This red one is like a sell zone. So
Okay.
if you
Yeah.
get a sell signal close to the top or if you get a buy close to the bottom, they are the good ones, good
Okay.
opportunity.
Okay. Okay.
So now we are
And the yellow
waiting for
line
it.
is the 200-day moving average or exponential moving average.
Right, yeah,
Yeah.
200 EMA.
200 EMA. Okay. And this line that one that turns into yellow and sorry, red and green, is that what do you call that? Is it 9-day moving average or
Yeah, it is a combination of multiple moving averages.
okay? And
It looks
how
at
do you
different
refer that?
ones.
Uh,
Yeah, it is a T5 line. So
T5.
this and this, yeah, you call it as a T5 line.
Mm,
So if that line turns to red, that means there is a very high 90% probability that price will drop.
got it. Okay.
So now that line may turn red and also this background may turn to red.
Okay. Okay.
If that happens, immediately you can short it and you can make some quick $50, $100.
Got it. Okay. Okay. And
Yeah,
what
like
is the stop loss do you usually go for? Do you go for like like at the top, like now in this case, if it is 5755 as a stop loss, something like that, or how do you go for that?
Right, whatever is the previous high, you can put your stop loss little bit above that.
Okay.
Right? This
Okay.
is your previous high. Now, if it is dropping, you can put your stop loss here. You can put your target at the midpoint.
Okay. Okay.
It will drop all the way till here.
Okay. Okay.
Minimum till here. If it also breaks that, it may
Then
come all the way to the support.
okay. Okay.
But this will act as a support.
Mm.
So, yeah, we are waiting for the T5 line to turn to red to take
Okay.
this.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah, we'll take some live trades in some time, in next 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll also explain about the other indicator, but
Okay.
yeah.
So I have not set up the trading view account for with my like I only have like E-Trade and Think or Swim right now.
Okay, okay. Then
So
you can watch the right in the morning time. Generally, we use 5 minutes time frame.
mm,
So in the morning time, you can watch. You can put it in 5 minutes, and whenever you see a proper buy or proper sell, you can take the trades in your account.
okay. And so if we want to start in trading view, like how would you what would you recommend for somebody who's starting in trading view? Like me.
The trading view is just a charting platform. It is not a
Yeah.
brokerage.
Mm,
So, for example, if you have some account with Tradeowait or Webull
mm,
or TradeStation or IBKR,
okay.
you can click here and then you can provide your credentials. Then whatever you take here, they will go and place in that account.
Oh, okay.
For example, if you have Webull account,
Yeah, I have one. Yeah.
then you can click on that and you can put your credentials. And then if you buy some stocks, that will happen in that. Or if you buy some futures,
Mm,
that will happen in your Webull account.
okay.
So
Okay.
you can connect to all these different brokerages for cryptos or for India stocks, for US stocks or futures,
Okay.
everything you can. But they don't have E-Trade or some. So they have all these companies.
Yeah. They don't have E-Trade or Think or Swim or anything. Okay. That's
Right.
fine.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks,
If
Kishore.
we'll have, yeah, we'll have live sessions every day, and also we have these setup sessions every 2 days or 3 days. So yeah, if you
Okay.
have any questions, you can ask in those sessions.
Okay. And you mentioned that you have a Google Drive where you have shared information, right? To
Right, yeah. One is we have YouTube channel where we have all the recordings. The second
okay.
thing is we have a Google Drive where you have all the PPTs and everything where you can learn how to use the indicator. So
Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay.
yeah,
Sounds good. Yeah. I will take a look at it because I haven't looked at that at all.
sure, yeah.
Okay. So in this case, the sell signal is negated because it's going.
Right, yeah. It touched the EMA 200 and immediately it started bouncing. So yeah,
No.
that's why we always wait for that T5 also to turn to red.
Red. Okay.
Right. So yeah, we'll if in case if we get another sell signal and T5 turns red, then we'll take it.
Mm,
As of now, everything is right. Your RSI 135 is green.
mm,
Your all SMAs, EMS are green.
mm,
So as of now, as it is still looking bullish.
mm.
So we have to
The top of-
your background should be red, your T5 should be red, and
mm.
majority of this table at the bottom should be red. Then that is good for a sell signal.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice.
If most of your background is green, T5 is green, most of your table is green, that means it is still very bullish.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. And in the morning, when do you start the session?
Yeah, I generally do from 9 central.
9 Central. Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll share a technique where yeah, every day is like $400 for every account you can make. Yeah, I'll share it in few minutes.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, hi Ashok. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore, hi. I have a
Mm.
few.
Sure, yeah. Do you want to
What?
share your screen or?
Sure, yeah. I'm doing some live trading right now, so but I can share my screen.
Okay, sure.
Um,
I think it says that you are controlling my screen, Kishore,
Oh, okay. Let me.
that I cannot stop sharing. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, sure. You need to join as panelist if you want to share the screen.
so so one is what candles are we using for regular thing like Heiken-Ashi or regular candles?
If you use top trend plus T5, then Heiken-Ashi is best.
Okay,
If you use price pulse plus T5, then use the normal candles. For top trend, yeah, top trend plus T5 combination, use Heiken-Ashi.
okay. So right now I'm in Heiken-Ashi and I'm using
Right,
top trend and price pulse. So this is
right.
accurate, correct? No issues here.
No issues here.
Okay. The other question I had is you had in the live sessions the third column here, which is ADX column that is not showing up in my screen.
Yeah,
Um,
as of now, yeah, I still did not publish that because yeah, I don't think that is important. But yeah, if I'm still checking that how it is effective, and then I will publish that in that ADX column. But that is mainly to know whether we have momentum in the market or not.
okay, okay. I thought maybe I have to do something on my side. Okay.
No, no, there is nothing. Yeah.
And then the data and trading view, right? I have a doubt whether it is real time because sometime when I see at your screen, it the charts look a little bit different, right? Even for the same indicators. So I'm wondering, like, are we, am I kind
Generally, if you are using Tradify or anything, then they give you the real-time data.
actually trading view, I'm using real-time data, which is one plan below the pro plan actually. So that's what I'm using.
Right, right. No, but if you're already connected with Tradify, so you will get the real-time data from Tradify. So you don't need to buy data from TradingView.
Okay, okay, got it, got
So
it.
only maybe because you are using Heiken-Ashi, I might be using normal with price pulse or something. That's why you might see some difference. Otherwise, yeah, I don't think there is any issue with your
Okay,
real-time data.
okay, okay. Um, then Tradify, is there a way that I can see how I'm doing against the consistency index? Like, day one, how much I did, day two, how much I did, there is no, there is this, I see in FAQ, there is some table like this, correct? But I don't see a way that this table,
If
uh,
you go to the dashboard, they will show you whether you are consistent or not. If you
yeah,
go to
that's
the
the only
20,
number I see. But this table, can I see somewhere in the thing?
no, we cannot see that.
Ah, okay, okay. That was the question. Okay, so we can't see that. Mhm.
Mhm. Only thing is you can note at the end of the day each day. You can note how much profit you made in some Excel or something. So you know,
Okay,
right,
okay,
every day between 4 to 5 p.m. Central, you have that market close. So
okay.
you
Got
can,
it.
yeah, you can check and mhm. As
Mm.
of now, still NQ is bullish.
Yeah, yeah. It is. It is. Yeah.
Right. Maybe
Um.
it may go to that 788 block and then drop.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. It will. I think.
Mm.
The other thing is so if see now that I have a trading view plan, right? The premium plan.
Right.
And also I have the Tradify account, which also gives a real-time, trading thing.
Right.
Does it mean that, there will be a conflict between the two, and therefore I should actually, look at one versus the other, like disable one or
Yeah,
something?
you can cancel the real-time data from TradingView because anyway, if you're using Tradify, you are already paying for the real-time data.
Right, right, right. Okay,
So,
okay.
are you again paying separately for stocks? You have to do that, but for futures, you don't need to subscribe for the real-time data to TradingView.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, but stocks, I think you're right. I need stocks as well, right? So that is the thing.
Right.
Um, and the other question I had is the Phoenix Trader funding, right? So is they do we? I tried to do a lot of setup and all. I've signed into Rhythmic and I followed all those things. But after that, I'm not able to figure out like, how to place a trade, right? So I have opened that um, one of the software that they've provided as well, right? So, and is there a way? And the Quant Power, I think. So I've installed the Quant Power. I opened the Quant Power, but after that, I'm having some doubts. So I thought I'll just hold off until you clarify on that.
Right. Right. So, did you also install the Rhythmic? Within Rhythmic also, you can do the trades.
Yeah, Rhythmic I installed. I signed the agreements, right? And then the Rhythmic also, is ready. I can open it also, Rhythmic.
Right. So, one is we can do trading within Rhythmic. But one
Trading?
thing what this Phoenix is telling is, right, that $5, $10 accounts, they are telling that we have to trade on that for 30 days. And once
Mm.
we trade, again, you don't need to make huge money, but if you are making $50, $100 every day also, at the end of the month, they will give you the live account. But
Right.
we won't make any money on whatever we trade on this account, which they are giving for 5 or 10, $20. So that is only like a fund or a SIM account where we are trading and showing them we can consistently make profits.
Okay, okay.
At the end of the month, they will give the funded accounts if we are consistent and we are not, yeah, we
Right,
are not.
right. Okay, okay.
So,
Um,
yeah. But maybe,
so,
yeah, initially I thought today I'll do a session on that, but if possible, I'll do a session tomorrow on how to take trades on Rhythmic.
okay, okay. Sure. Okay, Suresh. And sorry, okay, Kishore. And one thing I just was thinking about, I just lost my train of thought. So for Tradify, if an account gets hits the limit, right, the stop limit,
Mhm.
then will it still get activated, or will it still stay active, or we'll have to just delete
Mm,
that account and start afresh?
there are two stop, right? One is the daily drawdown,
Mm,
right? For example, you have a 150,000 account, and if we lose more than 3,750, then that is like a daily stop loss.
mm,
But next day, if you make again 3,000, 2,000, again your account will be back to normal. That is one way, right? Which is, for example, we may have a bad day, we may take a wrong trade, it hits it. The next day, we better carefully take some slowly and recover that back. So that won't impact your account. But if it, for example, 2 days, first day you lost 3,750, second day also, if we lose 3,750, then the account will basically get locked.
mm, mm.
So we have to, yeah, basically start create a new account. That
Okay.
won't get reset or anything. It is just like your PA account.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
But if it is a challenge account, it will get reset at the end of the month. But if it is a direct to SIM funded account where we can make money from day one, that won't get reset.
Mm, mm, mm.
We have to buy a new account again. But generally, that's why we have the daily drawdown. When if it hits the daily drawdown, second day we better slowly take the trades and slowly recover it. So I'll share a technique today, like where you can without taking too many trades. Daily you can take 1 or 2 trades and make $500-$600 easily. I will share that.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
Mm,
Yeah. That's it, Kishore, from my side. Thank you.
sure. Yeah. Yeah, Mahesh, do you have any questions, Mahesh?
Hey Kishore, yeah. So I set up the indicators and all the stuff. So I am seeing some three types of clouds, blue color, orange, and green color. So what are those?
Yeah, so basically if it is green and blue, that means one is like a scalping cloud, the green cloud. If the cloud is green, that means it is good for scalping. You can take quick trades and you can make profits. Then there is another one which is blue or orange, that is like a day trading cloud. That means your trade can hold for more time. If both clouds are green and blue, that means it is very bullish. If both clouds are orange and red, that means your ticker is very bearish.
So this has to be the candles has to be above the clouds. So that means that is a good trade. Can I
That
consider?
is good for bullish, yeah. If
Yeah.
the candles are above the clouds, that means it is good for long. If the
So
candles are below both the clouds, that means it is good for short trades.
okay. Okay, and I have one more thing. So these things can be used for stocks and options also. Am I right? The
Yeah,
top trend, this one.
you can
So
use for any instrument. Right.
yeah. So here for SLV, so the silver stock
Mhm.
SLV. Okay, if we see,
Do you want to share the screen?
um, yeah, join as a finalist. Hey Kishore, can you see my screen?
Not no.
Mm,
Did you click on the share?
yeah, 1 minute. I'm doing it. Screen. Yeah. Okay, now I'm keeping this thing. Okay, I'm seeing here. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, you can see now. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you see the SLV, it is in the discount. Okay.
Right. You are in the discount, but there is no major order block there. Right. For example, if it comes to the 28.6, there is a huge order block. You see that 449,000
Okay.
orders.
Oh, this.
So
Okay.
yeah, so it may go a little bit up and again drop.
So
So
how can you know that? Okay, whether I need to take trade here at the discount or at this one? Because generally in the calls you are saying that this is the premium and this is the discount. So in
right.
discount you need to take the chart.
So
Okay.
we need to always look for discount plus big buy order block or premium plus big sell order block.
Okay. So what is this number then? 210, this one.
There are
64%.
yeah already 64% of those orders got filled there. There
Okay.
are yeah few orders, so it may go a little bit up, but again at around that $30, again it may drop. Right, there is a big sell order block there, 476,000 sell orders. So
Here.
it may, yeah. So it
Okay.
may go a little bit up and again drop. So if it comes to the 28.6, that is a strong, very strong buy zone.
Okay.
So we
So
need to wait for whenever you have a discount zone plus a big buy order block, that is a good opportunity. Or
Okay.
if something is at a premium zone and then you also see a major sell order block, that is
Mm.
a good opportunity to buy the puts or to do the bear call spreads or to short it.
Okay. So one more question here. Um, So the channels are in the downtrend. So that means we should do always shorting and
Right. It is better, right? Your SMAs are red, your RSI is red. That means it is better you focus on the sell signal, right? You got a buy, but immediately it turned to uh, sell signal. So better you focus on the sell opportunities.
okay when there is a downtrend. Okay.
One is downtrend, your clouds are, you if you see the clouds, one is orange, one is red. That means that tells that it is in a bearish trend.
Okay. Okay. So
When it is bearish, you focus on the sell opportunities. Especially if you get a sell at the top, that is the best opportunity.
okay.
Right?
So here
If you
you mean to say this condition you are saying that blue and green.
right, there, yeah, that is a good one to buy. Right, when you got a buy signal,
Mhm. That means
you
this.
got a yeah, right. That buy green background, it went all the way till the top, and then you got a sell signal.
Okay. So these are called a resistance. We can treat it as a
Right,
resistance.
yeah. If the clouds are red and orange, they will act as resistance. If the clouds are green and blue, they will act as support.
Okay. So one more thing is here. Where I see. So here. So manual or something I have seen that okay this 55 manual and automated price track I guess.
They are just parameters within the
So which
within.
I kept it as a default one. That is fine
Yeah,
or need to
that's
change.
fine. Yeah,
That is fine. Okay.
but you can delete and add it back because I made few changes today in price pulse.
Okay.
Delete and yeah, you can go back to indicators and add. Right.
So I'm using currently the free version of TradingView. Is that sufficient for mostly I will be doing options and stocks. I'm not sure about the futures. I don't know how to trade those things. So whether the free option is sufficient or do I need to take the paid subscription?
Again, if you want to use scanners, find out which stocks are at top, which stocks are at bottom, which can go down. Then, yeah, if you use more indicators, you will have more functionality, more features. You can identify which stocks are at premium, which stocks are at discount. Like that, it will help you to make more profits with stocks and options.
Okay.
Again, you can take a free trial now. Generally, Thanksgiving, they give 70 to 80% discount on all the subscriptions.
Okay. Okay.
Trading view, then you will get it for very cheap. You at that point, that will become like $2, $3 per month, like that.
Yeah. Okay.
So you
So
can buy during that time. Yeah.
yeah, currently I opted for three indicators only because I'm not sure this thing. So if at all I after this month I can upgrade it. Am I right?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
You
So
can.
here it is only 3, 5, 10, 15 only. No, 30 minutes and 1 hour I am seeing in your screen. It is not coming here. This is no, this
That
moment.
table I also have 3, 5, 10, 15 only.
Oh,
Mm, That
okay.
you can, yeah,
Okay then. Yeah.
because we generally do day trading. 3, 5, 10, 15 is good enough. If all are green, that
Mhm.
means it is bullish. If all are red, generally that means it is very bearish.
Okay. So for day trading, we should consider up to 3, 5, 15. What are the RSIs we need to consider? All
Yeah,
are
generally, if all are red, that is very good opportunity.
okay.
Right. For example, here everything is red. That means it is very. If you get sell signal, you can confidently take it.
Okay.
If everything is green, then if you get a buy signal, you can confidently take it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but even if 135 is red also, that is a good one for a sell signal.
Okay. So defaultly, I'm using only the Heiken-Ashi candles. Based upon your Google Doc, it is mentioned as the Heiken-Ashi candles. So I can use this one, or you are saying that you need to use different candles for different
Right.
strategies.
If you use top trend, then Heiken-Ashi is good. But if you want to use price pulse, then yeah, your normal candles, I'll tell you, there is something called as a fair value gap, which are like a mini support, mini resistance. That price, if you high top trend, you can high top trend.
Okay.
Right. For example, now you don't see those mini support and mini resistance boxes.
Mm-hmm.
Now, yeah, close this and go and change it to normal candle from Heiken-Ashi. So now you see that red box, right?
Okay.
That is like a mini resistance. That is called as a fair value gap. So
Mm-hmm.
whenever price goes and tries to go above that, that will act as a resistance and push the price down.
Okay.
So those boxes you will only see when you use normal candles. When you use Heiken-Ashi, it won't show you.
Okay.
So whenever price comes to the discount, it won't directly go to the top or it won't directly go to the midpoint. If you don't have any of these fair value gaps, then you have a good opportunity to make more profits. But if you see a lot of those red boxes, that
Okay.
means they will push the price down.
Okay.
They are like a mini resistance. Or
Okay.
yeah,
Thank you. Yeah, that's all.
sure. Yeah, hi Akhil. Do you have any questions?
Hey Kishore, yeah. So I had a question about the Prism algorithm.
Yeah, Akhil. Yeah.
So as we were seeing when the other members were going, right? Then a sell signal came, and then you mentioned that let's wait for another candle, right? So that the body is above the either the EMA or after a sell signal or buy signal, we need to wait for another candle for confirmation, right? So if we have a Prism algorithm, then how does it work? And sometimes I have seen in the live trading also that a buy signal comes or maybe a sell signal comes and it disappears when the next candle comes in. So in those conditions, would there be uh, any transactions from the Prism algorithm?
The prism will wait until the complete candle closes. Only when the next candle opens, then only it will take the transaction. Only if the sell or buy stays,
Okay,
it will take it. The
long only,
advantage,
short only,
yeah,
right?
long only, short only, yeah. But the advantage with trading view is you can combine multiple indicators or multiple strategies, and you can see for a confluence. Right. For example, you
Okay,
have T5 is one indicator. You have
right.
top trend is one indicator. You can watch the combination. If top trend is giving green signal, T5 is giving green signal. That means you are able to take confidence from multiple and you can take a decision to go long or to go short.
Yeah.
Whereas
Okay.
when you are using algos, you cannot combine different algos. Every algo will have its own
Right.
logic.
Right.
So Prism will have logic like top trend. So it uses top trend logic and it takes the buy or sell signals. So
Okay.
whenever there is a trending market, then Prism will make a lot of profits. If there is a
Mhm.
big uptrend day or downtrend day, if you enable from 8:30 or 8:45 to 11 o'clock is good enough. You can easily make 500 to $1,000. You just enable it, it will take the buy sell signals.
Yeah. And
You can
another
know.
thing, let me share my screen. So let's say yes chart.
Q2 very bullish.
So let's say if I have this and I'm doing ES, okay. And if I do strategy on this, then we have this line here. So do I need to select enable session checkbox as unchecked?
Yeah, if you uncheck it, it will take in any time. If you check it, then it will only take during whatever time you specify.
Okay, then I need to say okay here, and then I need to go to
No,
the screen and enable.
you have one more checkbox you need to enable.
Right, so here I need to enable, but it's not gonna enable only for that time period, right?
Yeah, if you disable the time period, then it will work throughout the day.
Yeah, this says that it's. I mean,
Yeah,
it
that
still
is
shows the
false.
time. 11:30
But
is the end time.
you have false, right? Can you go back to the chart?
Chapter.
Here you see, right, your strategy runtime is unlimited. On this side, on the other side.
Yeah, it's unlimited. Okay. Yeah, I mean, the other day I was trying to enable this strategy, but that's what I had questioned. And if you like backtest it, then you will see that. See, I mean, it started the long position on this time and entered here, exited here. So this is a little bit of profit. But if you go back, then most of the time you say that you will see that that the position that it's starting, the transaction that it's opening, and if you compare with the exit position, then most of the time we see that it's a higher price.
You should not enable during low volume hours, right? When there is no volume, when it is very choppy, that's what will happen. So you have to, and also you need to use 1 minute Heikin-Ashi. You are using 1 minute normal candle.
Right. Yeah. So let
If you
me
use
delete.
Heikin-Ashi, you will have less number of signals. Only when there is a proper. No, click on that 1 minute. Yeah, select one there. Yeah. So now if you see the long position, at what time it took at 6:49.
Right. Let's go back to Friday night and see.
No, don't enable when there is no volume.
Okay.
You need to have volume for anything, right? For manual trading or any automated trading to work. So you should enable only, right? Because now time changed. Otherwise, generally it is 8, but because time changed, now 7 p.m. to
7 to 9. Okay.
right. Yeah. So you can see that long position, it made huge profits.
Yeah, so if you go back here, 7, long position 47, exit long, yes, this is a profitable one. Then 57 and 60, yeah, so that's profitable too. Okay, I'll try to enable it tonight then. Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, enable only, right? Again, after 10, you will have again very less volume. You have to either enable in Europe time or between 7 to 9 in the night, 7 to 9 p.m. Central, or from 2 a.m. Central, or you do it again after 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Central. That is where you'll have good volume. So if, yeah, the NQRES will make nice profits if you enable during those timings.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah. Hey, SK, do you have any questions? SK, we can't hear you if you're talking. Hey, Senthil, do you have any questions?
Hey, Kishore. Yeah, I have set up the indicators, but I'm not sure whether I've done it right. Can I share my screen? Can you verify?
Yeah, sure, you can share your screen. Yeah, you can see the screen.
Always I see there is a difference in the price or the mm, yeah. When I see your screen and my screen, there is always a price difference.
No, you need to have real-time data with TradingView for stocks to see the real-time prices or real-time order blocks. I think you may not have data, real-time data.
Okay, see, I have a Tradify account.
Tradify is mainly for futures. For futures, you don't need to buy any data. Futures, you will see the real-time data. But for
But
stocks, there might be some delay.
okay, even when I see NQ, I'm not seeing the one which it is there in your screen
But
and
you are
my
not connected to Tradify, right? As of now,
um,
you have to
yeah,
connect to.
I connected. This is
Well,
right.
not there. Within TradingView, when you connect, then the TraderWeight will send you the real-time data.
Okay, so I should hear Tradify will come. Is it here?
Right.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. But otherwise, is this setup was correct? My background or I see something is missing kind of thing I'm saying, or is it correct?
Settings wise, it is looking good. Yeah, there is no issue. You have all buy, sell signals, everything. So you are in 1 hour. But yeah, you are seeing, right? If you see a D there, right, after 1 hour CME, you see a D, right, at the
Yeah.
top. Yeah, come little bit, no, come little bit down. Yeah, there. Yeah, go little right.
Okay.
Yeah, just click on the chart. Look at the bottom.
Settings.
Then at the bottom, give me control. Yeah. Where are your future stickers? Do you have the future stickers here?
Oh,
So, for example, if you see silver here, right, in the watch list,
okay.
if you see a D there,
Okay.
right, that means it is a delayed data. Your codes
Okay.
are delayed by 10 minutes.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
you can also see here, right, you see a D there.
Okay. Okay.
That means you are not getting the real time data. So, you may enter things at the wrong time. So,
Mm,
that's why you need to be connected to either Apex TraderWeight or Tradify TraderWeight.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Right. So, yeah, you can go here, go to account and billing. And then here you will have real-time market plan, right? Real-time market data. I think yeah, you have New York, Nasdaq. Okay, you have the real-time data. Mm, Okay, maybe why don't you install the desktop version?
Okay.
Better if you use the desktop, then you won't have any issues.
Okay. Okay. Let me
Yeah,
try.
instead of browser, sometimes browser will have cache issues and everything.
Okay.
You install the desktop, right? It is a free version. You can install, and then you will have everything real time data. Yeah,
Okay. Let me try that, and if it's not still it's an issue, I will check with it.
yeah, sure.
Thank you.
If there are no other questions,